Udon is a typical Japanese noodles made out of wheat flour. They are thick and white in color. Best as fresh, they are soft and chewy. Due to their neutral flavor, they are able to absorb strong flavored ingredients in dishes. We're going to make udon noodles out of available ingredients at home. Thin sliced chicken breast, ginger, cracked pepper, Knorr chicken cube, minced garlic, slice onion leeks in 2 pieces, then chop the rest. We don't have dashi-based broth or powder, so we're going to make our own broth. Boil water with Knorr cube. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Two tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. I also added 1 tablespoon of vinegar since I don't have mirin or sake. Let the broth boil. Transfer the broth in a bowl. And fry the chicken breast until golden brown. Do same thing to the onion leeks. This will add texture and umami flavor in our soup. Add the broth. Let it boil. Soak the noodles in a bowl of water to remove excess starch. Add the noodles. Wait until it boils. Add onion leeks. Drizzle the egg in our boiling soup to make it look like 1 egg drop soup. Boil for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then serve. This is good for 2 servings. Add desired toppings. I'll do more onion leeks, fried garlic, chili garlic, and of course the chicken. Enjoy it while it's hot.
おあがりょ、おそ松様でした。